In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best cold air intake. So let's get started. Number 7. Canden 71-3070. This air intake system has a high-performance design that will get about 12 extra horsepower out of your engine, has a stylish matte black paint job, and the Canden million-mile limited lifetime warranty. The intake's design is much less obstructive than factory air intakes, but will still give your engine the extra airflow it needs to perform its best. Using a mandrel-bent aluminum tube and specially designed intake housing, this product is not only able to get the most airflow into the engine, but also takes up very little space in doing so. It uses an oil-free synthetic filter that is washable and good for about 100,000 miles. The intake has an easy installation process and uses factory mounting holes to give it a perfect fit and feel in your engine. Number 6. BBK 1557. The BBK brand is a leader in the aftermarket performance parts industry. Their cold air intakes are designed to channel more cool air to your engine. This boosts your horsepower, torque, acceleration, and throttle response. This system is specifically designed for the Ford Mustang, model years 1986 through 1993. BBK makes a broad range of cold air intakes, though, so you're sure to find the right one for your car. This system comes with an enlarged and efficient air filter. This creates a high flow of air so that more air can get to your combustion chambers. The entire unit is bolt-on, so you can install it in 30 minutes or less. You don't need to make any special modifications or do any extra tuning. Number 5. Velocity Concepts Cold. This cold air intake system from Velocity Concepts will fit a Dodge Ram 1500 or 2500 V8 from 2009 through 2016. If this isn't your truck, you'll be able to find a compatible intake system from Velocity. Their cold air intake systems use high-quality silicone for the coupler, elbow, and hoses. The kit comes with everything you need for installation and is compatible with the OEM components. You can expect to get up to 95% improvement on the filtration efficiency from your paper stock filter. It will also increase your horsepower, torque, and gas mileage. An additional added benefit is the improvement in the sound of your engine. This system gives you a deep sporty sound from under your hood. Number 4. AEM 21-478WR. Our pick for best overall air cleaner is this high-performance model that comes with a smooth design, is hot red in color, and has a specially designed air filter that allows maximum airflow while collecting macro and microscopic particles. AEM cold air intakes are dyno-tested and specifically designed for certain makes and models, so make sure you're choosing the right product for your car. This cold air intake has a lot of features that put it at the head of the pack. To start with, all AEM intakes come with an oversized, dry-flow synthetic air filter that is washable, reusable, and gives both amazing protection and great airflow. Number 3. Canden Cold Air Intake Kit. Canden's Blackhawk series of cold air intakes is not too flashy, with an all-black look that will leave your engine bay looking sinister yet not over the top. Designed for trucks, SUVs, and muscle cars specifically, the Blackhawk series is popular among Chevrolet Silverado owners and Ford F-150 owners. Each cold air intake comes with a black powder-coated intake pipe, a fancy-looking welded Canden engraved plate, and a Canden dry-flow oil-free filter that offers good engine protection. Canden promises the Blackhawk series will provide a noticeable increase in intake noise and will also increase your vehicle's horsepower. It also comes with Canden's million-mile warranty, so you know it will last for the entire time you own your vehicle. The intakes are 50 state legal and CARB compliant. Number 2. Flowmaster 615135. Flowmaster has long been committed to developing and providing the best exhaust products on the market to be the exhaust technology company. With roots in exhaust performance and quality, the company branched out to offer exciting new products, including tuners and air intake systems. Between their parent company, Holley, and Flowmaster itself, they have developed the Delta Force Performance Cold Air Intake System, as well as the Intec Cold Air Intake System. The goal of Flowmaster, with these changes, is to become the performance technology company. We think that they're off to a great start. Number 1. Spectre Performance Air Intake Kit. The vehicle-specific cold air intakes can be selected based on the make, model, and year of your vehicle. They're designed to give your vehicle more horsepower, improve torque, and protection for your engine. It will also protect your engine from a variety of dirt and debris. These filters are washable and reusable and prevent the restriction of airflow. It's made with polished aluminum intake tubing and a black, powder-coated 2-piece heat shield. It comes with couplers, clamps, and all of the necessary hardware needed for an OE fit and finish. These kits are unique in that they break down into 3 additional subsections: single plenum kits, dual plenum kits, and V6/V8 throttle body injection. The universal air intake kit systems are designed to increase the performance of your vehicle. They do this by routing the intake inlet away from heat sources, including the radiator and headers. They're manufactured from high-quality, polished 4-inch diameter aluminum tubing. They come in standard, low-profile, and ultra-low-profile models.